Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to install and set up Thunderbird on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So with that being said, let's get started. Thunderbird is an email client software for Ubuntu operating system. You can easily install it on your Ubuntu system by using the terminal. For that, open the terminal application and here run few commands. First one is sudo apt update. Now enter your Ubuntu system password. This will update apt repository on your system. Once the update process has been completed, you can simply type sudo apt install Thunderbird. Then hit enter and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation has been completed, simply run exit command to close the terminal. Now to access Thunderbird application, simply click on Ubuntu icon. Here on the search option, search for Thunderbird, and here we have the application. And it will open Thunderbird account setup window. Now here simply enter your email address, credentials, and you are ready to use Thunderbird on Ubuntu. So that's it. This is how you can install and set up Thunderbird on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.